these guys for so long. And it's called a 4x2. And Erin just brought these on vacation and I'm so excited about them. Okay, so as you guys know, we've been traveling a lot and our goal this year is to do more travel. And the kids and I and Erin and everyone wants to just see the world and experience other cultures, and we're just so excited about it. So I have been on the search for the perfect suitcase. We have been looking and looking and looking, and I've had my eye on these for so long. Look how beautiful! Okay, I can't wait to show you guys all the cool stuff about it. Real quick, first impression out of the bag, absolutely beautiful. Like, look at this color. They have all different colors in it, but the wheels, okay? They're actually skateboard wheels, full 360, and they're super easy to clean. When I was researching these, like, cause you know you get through a lot of airports and places and it's just kind of like, sanitary wise, you can clean these so easy. You just sanitize them and they just wipe right off. Also, a lot of my suitcases get damaged when I travel because airports throw them around, and let's be honest, they're not very careful with our suitcases. But this has little, where it's lifted off of the ground, so it's less likely to scratch. Coolest part, this is why I'm so excited. Okay, so whenever I go through the airport, you know you can't bring a water bottle through, but when you get to the other side, you can. Hence, a patented handle.
And they sell a mug, woo!
And you can put your water bottle right in it. I mean, you don't even have to have it up either. You can have it down there. But, guys, the features after features of this. Okay, so not only is it a cup holder, but I've been doing my boarding passes on my phone. So I'm constantly like having to take my phone out of my pocket or like put it in, and it's like so inconvenient, or you're watching stuff as you're waiting. Oh, we both grabbed our phone. You can do yours too.
I'll do mine as well.
Okay, you guys ready for this? It's a phone holder! Ah! So now you can have your phone, and if you're sitting and you have a long layover or you're just waiting, you can have it
in line to board the plane.
there, watching it.
Watching a movie.
Yeah, watching a movie. So you don't have to sit and hold it like this. You can just set it on your suitcase. So that was one of my favorite parts about it. I love that part. If you have your purse or you have different things, you can just hang it onto here. Full 360. And the wheels, because they're the skateboard wheels, it's like 20% less noise reduction. You know when you're going through it, it's really loud and you're like, ugh. This doesn't have that. And also if you have a really heavy load, it still makes it so smooth no matter what surface you are on. This one, the carry-on bag, was what I was this is the one I was showing Erin online that I was like, I want this so bad. It's because I carry a laptop, I carry a tablet, traveling with the kids, I have a lot of electronics and stuff that I'm carrying. And so this has a front pocket with a laptop holder. And I had another suitcase that I normally use before I had this one, and it was super expensive, and I only got it because it was the laptop holder and you don't find them as many. And then
the front pocket design allows you to have a battery pack in here so you can charge things with this.
Yeah, it has a built-in charger, or charging port, I should say. So you can, yeah, put your little battery, you can keep all of your electronics charged, has a TSA approved lock on it, so you can lock your stuff.
Both bags also include their awesome handle. It's so comfortable and it gives way just a little bit so you can pick it up nice and easy.
What I love is the front loading zipper.
This allows easy access to items in the front pocket. You can partially open the internal zipper to retrieve items from the top, which is so convenient.
Because when I traveled recently, I had to get stuff out of my suitcase because I had a really, really long flight. And this would have been so convenient because instead of opening the whole thing and having stuff fall out, you can just open the front pocket and grab anything out and just pack it right on top, so it's easy to do. All of these zippers, so in here I would put all of my like laundry thing, it's lined. And then you have a zipper here, you have one here, and it comes with a luggage tag. Then it also has this to secure it in there, and it comes with its own laundry bag. I just love all the different organization you can do with it. I love how deep it is and how much you can fit in there.
Check this
On the
out.
front loading.
In the large suitcase, you can fit the carry-on.
For when you need to store it. These suitcases are a game changer. If you're looking to keep your stuff organized and hassle-free, these are the suitcases for you. Also, one more, other features are endless. I could go on and on for hours about this. But the other one is, it is expandable, guys, to get even more room. So this zipper right here, you just unzip it. And look, you get even more space. I always have to have a suitcase that has that expander. Click the link in the description box down below to order these suitcases.
For my two, they're absolutely amazing.